Well, not only me, but other people have been being burglarized in their homes, taking valuable, all personal stuff.
He's a working man, and he's lived all 69 years of his life on the same property. But he says this quiet rural community in Bono has been plagued with a string of burglaries.
It's just been a rash out here. It broke out real quick. To me, it's been real quick, but I understand it's been going on for a little while around the community.
He says building materials were the first to go missing in the robberies that started early last year.
I'm building a house there. They had been hitting me with building material and like wire and some tools, but mostly copper tubing. After they really put a hurting on me, they left me alone for a year, and then now here they are right back again.
The most recent strike last Friday.
And now they went in doing personal stuff in my house. They took my TV. I just bought a flat screen TV a little while back, a large one. They carried that, carried cash money.
He says others in the area, including family members, have also been hit.
Makes you sort of a prisoner in your own house because you got to stay there with it, a babysitter all the time. You don't know whether you're safe or whether you're not.
The victim says the robbers are able to slip through the trees right behind me and get in and off his property without ever being seen from the main road, which is over that way. But he says he's prepared himself with video cameras all over the property, so if the robbers decide to strike again, he'll be able to catch them red-handed. But ultimately, he says only one thing will make the burglaries stop.
The community's got to get together and report these things being done so we can get them off the street.